The historical Gurudwara Fatehgarh Saheb, where Baba Zorawar&Fateh and Baba Fateh Singhji were executed. They were suffocated to death by having a brick wall built around them by the Mughals. So this is the Gurudwara. This is the Shahidi place, Shahidi Sthan. Just see it. So this is the Thada where they were. This is the where the Palki Sahib is what they call it. Is where Baba Zorawar Singh, he was 9, and Baba Fateh Singh, 7. On the 26th of December, 1704.
Okay.
Right, good man. That's right.
The Sahibzadas were bricked alive to martyrdom.
And just next to this is Thanda Burj, where Mata Gujri was there with the two Sahibzadas, and in that cold night. So here they were for 3 torturous nights in the cold. That Mata Gujri, Guru Gobind Singhji's mother, and his children, young son Sahibzade, Baba Zorawar Singhji and Fateh Singhji were here.
This is the Thanda Burj, Gurudwara Mata Gujri, here at Fatehgarh Saheb.
At Fatehgarh Saheb Ji Gurudwara, Thanda Burj, Fatehgarh. If you see, all these are bricked. It's as though a message. The Sahibzadas were bricked here. The plants are all kept in the bricked pot, sort of, as a boundary. Just an observation. Ladies doing part out there. Outside the Gurudwara. जो तो प्रेम खिलन का चाओ सिर तर तली गली में भी आओ. That is Fatehgarh Saheb.